Gotta go all out, bro.
We fucking turn this corner.
That's the well side. None of them opened up anything.
You wanna do what you did last time? Crouch here. Whatever and see if they come.
Multiple doors, multiple doors, multiple doors. Yeah, you gotta come up here now.
Yeah, no, I am.
Connie's dead. Julie's right here. She's going upstairs. I'm fighting Julie. Free kill, free kill. That's mine.
That's yours, bro. That's yours.
Check the size and shit.
Victim snared, victim snared.
Yep, I see him out there. Is that the window?
That's the window.
That's the window.
She got me.
Make sure check everything. Sonny's snared over there. Sonny's snared. My God, these traps are OP. Hey, he's dead. He's fucking dead.
Bro, fucking Anna out here calling me pendejo, bro. What the fuck? I don't even know if she fucking said that shit.
Bro, like, I
they
don't
did
know
all
how
that
they...
prepping for what?
I think they double back through, like, the fucking, like, thing. Like, one of the, like, you know, little tunnels. Because, my God, they just all opened up the doors, bro. Like, that's fucking crazy,
Bro, those traps fucking murder them.
Bro, it was like one go hit, the other one go hit, the other one go hit.